In this video, we're going to break down the concept of making inferences, where the art of reading goes beyond what's actually written. Think of it as reading between the lines, where logic comes into play. Where drawing conclusions is based solely on putting facts together, inferences are the decisions we make based not only on what the author tells us directly, but also on what's suggested and implied. As you read, you'll find clues, sensory words, or the author's choice of language, guiding you to make inferences beyond the explicit details. Let's take a look at some concrete examples. Take a minute to pause the video and read the text. Now that you've read the text, let's answer the following question. What will happen when Papa arrives? A. They will eat dinner together. B. Papa will cut the cornbread. C. They will discuss an important family decision. Or D. They will go on a family outing. The passage mentions that the family is gathering ingredients to make cornbread, and as the cornbread cools, they set the table and eagerly await Papa's arrival back home. Although the passage does focus on the family baking the cornbread, there's not enough information here to infer that Papa will be cutting it, as opposed to anybody else in the family. Therefore, B can be marked as incorrect. Likewise, there's no indication in the passage that they will discuss an important family decision or will go on a family outing. These can be marked as incorrect as well. However, the preparation of ingredients, baking, setting the table, and eagerly awaiting Papa's arrival suggests a typical family meal or dinner scenario. Therefore, the most fitting answer is A, that they will eat dinner together, which can be marked as our final answer. Let's take a look at another example. In what time period can you infer this passage takes place? A. Biblical times. B. Modern-day era. C. 18th or 19th century. Or D. Roman times. The passage provides several clues and sensory words suggesting a historical setting. Phrases like the warm glow of the open hearth, the wooden beams of the house Papa built, and sturdy cast iron oven imply a time when open hearths and traditional construction methods were common. Additionally, the mention of harvesting the ingredients from the family homestead, along with the use of the cast iron oven, align more with the agricultural and household practices of the 18th or 19th century, rather than the modern-day era or the ancient eras of biblical or Roman times. Therefore, the most reasonable inference is C. This passage takes place in the 18th or 19th century, which can be marked as our final answer. Now that you've got the hang of it, try your hand at making inferences with the mock test questions below.